Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen. Well, it's Easter season and I absolutely love this time of year. Spring is on its way and the flowers will be blooming and it's just a beautiful time of year. A few years back we were in Greece around this time of year and our dear friends prepared for us Greek sesame seed Easter cookies. They're found all over Greece. Absolutely delicious. I have the recipe. Now let's get started. All your ingredients have to be at room temperature. We're going to start with the wet ingredients first. 1 cup of unsalted butter. I'm just going to whip up the butter for a couple of minutes. My butter is nice and fluffy. I'm gradually going to add 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Add the zest of 1 orange. This way all the oils from the orange peel will absorb into the butter. I'm going to stop the machine. I'm going to do a scrape down. I love this new paddle that was gifted to me by Michela. It has a little scraper on the side that just makes everything so much easier. However, you still need to scrape the bottom of your bowl. The butter, the sugar, the zest of the orange have combined beautifully. Now I'm going to add 3 eggs, 1 at a time. 2 and 3. Now I'm just going to do 1 more scrape down and go right down to the bottom. Final wet ingredient, 1/2 cup of fresh orange juice. Earlier, about approximately an hour ago, I sifted a whole bunch of all-purpose flour and then I measured out 6 cups of flour, and this is what we're going to need for this recipe. To the flour we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We're going to combine everything thoroughly. We're ready to add the dry to the wet, a couple tablespoons at a time. My cookie dough is ready. I'm going to divide my cookie dough into 3 portions. I'm going to place them into plastic wrap in the refrigerator for 1 hour. My cookie dough is being refrigerated, so in the meantime, we are going to prepare the sesame seeds. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm just going to sprinkle my sesame seeds on a sill pad. And I'm going to just divide them out evenly. I have approximately 1.5 cups here of sesame seeds. I'm going to place them in the oven and I'm going to toast them for 7 minutes. Start forming our cookies. Preheat your oven to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. I have a 2 tablespoon scooper. I'm going to roll it into a meatball. I'm going to roll it in the sesame seeds. Now I'm going to roll them out into a 7-inch rope. There's my 7-inch rope. Now I'm just going to turn it around and I'm just going to cross them over twice, like this. Beautiful. Egg wash consists of 1 egg and 6 tablespoons of homogenized milk. I gave it a good whip and now we're ready to coat my cookies. In the oven for 8 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. Oh, I'm going to say it, if you could only smell my kitchen. My Greek sesame seed Easter cookies came out spectacular. I'm right back in Greece. I'm going to taste one for you. Absolutely delicious. This is calling for a coffee. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. It was an absolute pleasure preparing this cookie for you. I want to take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Easter. Καλού Πάσχα, Buona Pasqua a tutti, alla prossima. forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. Ciao. Caterina, from my home to yours.